Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing two stocks that I'll be buying this month. This is not financial advice. First, we have Microsoft. I feel that Microsoft is undervalued, and I will explain why. First, let us take a look at their income statement, their earning quarters. As from this picture, we can see that they have a net profit of 27.7 billion, which means the company is earning. Next, let us take a look at their revenue. Microsoft reported a revenue of $82.89 billion year over year, and their revenue has actually increased by 18%. This is mainly driven by the AI demand and their cloud growth. Next, let us take a look at their operating income. Microsoft has reported a strong operating income of $38.4 billion, and this represents a 20% increase year over year. However, after Microsoft reported their earnings, their stocks actually have dropped. Why? It's because Microsoft has also reported that they will be aggressively spending on their CapEx to meet the AI demand and the cloud demand, which makes other investors worried. And due to this such amount of spending, actually a lot of investors has decided to sell off their stocks. And next, let's take a look at their free cash flow. Due to their CapEx spending, their free cash flow actually take a dip, roughly 22% year over year. We make other investors worried about it. Hence, Microsoft has a sell-off. However, I think that due to this sell-off, it's actually an opportunity to buy Microsoft. Let's take a look at their valuation standpoint. From here, we are using Stock Oracle to look at the Microsoft valuation. From Stock Oracle valuation, it's actually valuated at $553.78, which means that it's a roughly around $100+ undervalue. Let's take a look at their intrinsic value. From this graph, we can see actually Microsoft is clearly undervalued at $413. You see by this DCF 20 years flow model and all this, it's clearly that we are having a sale, which I will highly advise you all to purchase Microsoft if you have any cash sitting around. And Microsoft is a white mode company, which means it's fairly safe and it will not be disrupted by a lot of other companies or other things. Take a look at this graph. It's mostly all green. It's just that the growth has maybe stopped a bit, but otherwise, in the investing terms, just take it as a $100 plus discount, and it's a great valuation. And we can take another look at another website, which clearly shows that Microsoft is undervalued, or roughly also $100+. So to be honest, I'll be purchasing Microsoft. Next, let us take a look at another company, which is Meta Platform. Meta has reported a strong 33% year over year revenue increase. Then let's take a look at their operating income. The operating income has also reported there's an increase of 30%. Okay. Next, let us take a look at their spending, their CapEx. From this image, we can clearly see that Meta is spending a lot of money into this AI infrastructure. By taking a look at all this, the the spending has been increasing. Hence, that's why after the report, Meta shares has tanked, and I think this is a great opportunity to buy out Meta. Let's take a look at their free cash flow. Due to the spending, their free cash flow actually also take a dip. But as you can see from all these earnings and revenue, Meta is still making money and profits. Let's take a look at Meta at this stock oracle. From the stock oracle, you can clearly see that there's actually a around $300 discount, and stock oracle value it at $905, and it's a white mode company. Let's take a look at their intrinsic value. Now the stock is currently at $610, and by looking at this graph, we can clearly see that mostly all of them are undervalued, and their valuation, some are at 600 plus and some are at $1,000. So if I were an investor, I would take this opportunity to buy this stock at 600 plus, roughly around a $300 discount. Let's look at another platform, how they value Meta. From this, we can clearly see that their valuation for Meta is roughly around almost $800. So from all this, I will buy these two stocks at this month at a discount. So I greatly invite all of you to invest in Meta and platform, and Meta and Microsoft. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe. If you wish to open a brokerage account, please use my link down below. Thank you.